Hi Anita. Can you hear me?
Yes, Rowan. I can hear you very clearly. How are you? You look a little tired today.
I am okay. Just a long day at work. Meetings, deadlines, emails, everything together. Sometimes I feel work takes all my energy.
I understand. My day was also busy, but I think learning something new makes the day meaningful. That is why I like our online study sessions.
Same here. Talking with you, studying with you, it gives me motivation.
Rowan, do you ever feel scared that you cannot learn fast?
Yes, many times. After work, my mind feels full. When I open my notebook, I feel sleepy. When I watch videos, I lose focus.
I feel the same. Sometimes I ask myself, am I too late to learn? Is learning only for students? Do working people really have time?
I also think like that, but then I remind myself, if I learn a little every day, I will grow.
Rowan, what keeps you motivated?
Small progress. When I learn even one new word in English, when I understand one sentence clearly, I feel proud. It reminds me that learning is not a race, it is a journey.
Beautifully said, Rowan. I think motivation comes from small successes. Even if we study for 15 minutes, it is better than doing nothing.
Yes, and when we study together, I feel more confident.
Online study is helping me a lot. I can learn anytime, in the morning, during lunch break, or at night.
Yes, online study is flexible. I don't have to travel, no bus, no traffic. Just open my phone or laptop and learn.
And I can repeat the lessons many times. If I don't understand something, I watch again. Slow learning feels safe.
Yes, slow learning is powerful. You do not have to rush. You can learn at your own speed.
Rohan, can I say something personal?
Of course. You can tell me anything.
Sometimes I feel I am not good enough. When I see people fluent in English at work, I feel small. I feel like I am behind.
Anita, I want to say something to you from my heart. You are learning, you are trying, and that is the most beautiful thing. Everyone starts somewhere. No one is born fluent. We learn step by step.
Thank you, Rowan. Your words give me strength. I want to keep learning, not for others, but for myself.
Yes, we learn for ourselves, for our growth, for our dreams.
How do you balance your work and study?
I make a small timetable, not a big one, just simple. 15 minutes in the morning, 15 minutes at night. That's it. Slow and steady.
Nice idea. I think I will try that too. I always make big plans and then fail. Maybe small plans are better.
Yes, small plans are easy, and when we complete them, we feel happy.
Rowan, let's share some tips for people watching our video.
Good idea. Tip number 1. Learn slowly. No need to rush.
Tip number 2. Repeat what you learn. Repetition makes learning easy.
Tip number 3. Practice speaking. Even if you speak alone, practice every day.
Tip number 4. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes show you are trying.
Tip number 5. Enjoy the learning journey. If you enjoy, you will continue.
Rohan, do you know what I learned today?
What?
That learning is not about being perfect. It is about becoming a better version of yourself.
Yes, and even if progress is slow, it is still progress.
Exactly. Online study gives us hope. Hope that we can still grow, even while working.
And we are not alone. We are learning together.
Rowan, thank you for today's session. I feel lighter. I feel happy.
Me too. Talking with you always helps. Let's continue our learning tomorrow.
Yes, tomorrow. Same time?
Same time, same hope, same smile.
Good night, Rowan.
Good night, Anita.
Rohan, before you go, can I ask one more question?
Of course, Anita. Tell me.
Do you ever feel lonely while studying online? Like, you are learning, but you are learning alone?
Yes, sometimes I feel that. Sometimes I sit with my notebook. The room is quiet, and I feel like no one understands my struggle.
Same here. When I study late at night, I feel a little lonely too, but when we talk like this, I feel connected.
Exactly. Maybe learning feels heavy when we do it alone, but when we learn with someone, it feels lighter, warmer, more human.
You know, Rohan, we are adults. We work, we have responsibilities, we have pressure, but still, we learn. Do you know why?
Why?
Because learning gives us hope. Learning tells us, you can still grow, you can still change your life, your future can still be bright.
That is so true, Anita. When I learn something new, I feel like I am opening a new door in my life, a door that was closed for many years.
And when we improve our English, many more doors will open. Better communication, better confidence, better work opportunities.
And most importantly, better understanding of ourselves.
Rowan, let's make a small promise today.
What promise?
That no matter how busy our work becomes, no matter how tired we feel, we will study at least a little every day, even if it's just 5 minutes.
5 minutes, yes, that is possible. And 5 minutes every day becomes hours in a month, and months become a year. We can grow slowly, but steadily.
Exactly. Slow study, but strong study.
Anita, I feel good talking to you today. Your words touched me.
Your words also touched my heart. Rowan, sometimes we need someone who understands our journey, someone who learns with us, someone who encourages us.
Yes, we are not just learning English, we are learning life.
Beautifully said. Okay, Rowan, now I will go and rest. Tomorrow is a new day, a new chance to learn.
Yes, a new day, a new chapter, a new hope. Good night, Anita.
Good night, Rowan.